should you buy now? Should you not buy now? I guess the question becomes, okay, let's talk about your life. In your current situation, do you want to move? You know, if your urgency to move is like, yeah, I want to do it, then do it. I say life is short, go for it. I always say buy the beach house if you can get it. If you don't have an urgency and you're just like, just do it when I want to do it, I'd say, okay, well, maybe wait and see, see what's going to happen here. I mean, the market is definitely making some kind of move right now. Recessionary trends are definitely unfolding. That doesn't mean that we're going to have a market collapse, but I tell you what it will do, in my opinion, is it will change the market dynamics in terms of who can afford what, more at the end of the spectrum, below $1 million. That's where I think the biggest impact will come. So all I can say is if you're under that threshold of under $1 million for the buy side purchase, I would buy. That's what I'm going to say, because if you are renting, it is only going to get more expensive because they're going to do more rate hikes. So your ability to basically buy at a price point that you even see right this second, even last week, is different this week than it will be in 2 months even. So I think the answer depends, but I mean, it's only going to get more expensive. If you need to buy a house, do it. Just do it now. Get in the bus. Start basically building equity right this second, because the interest rates are going to, I think, go into uncharted territory that you likely have never seen in your life. So that's my opinion.